My Trane XL624 thermostat screen is blank and blinking.
Where in your home is your Trane thermostat installed? How old is it?
2014.
How long has this been going on with your Trane thermostat? What have you tried so far?
About 1.5 weeks. We've tried seeing to replace batteries, but there are none.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
This happened after a power outage.
Hello. Power outages, especially if caused by a storm, generate a huge spike of electricity that comes down the power lines and puts a lot of stress on electronics such as your thermostat and the printed circuit board in your furnace. There is a 90% chance that either the thermostat or the printed circuit board in your furnace will need to be replaced. Click here for the manual, see if you can reprogram it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.